friends, this is Shaheen. Welcome to my kitchen. Festivals are on the way. We are going to make some special recipes for the festivals. So here is a Irani Gosht which I have learned through an Iranian friend. So come and see how to prepare it. It is very tasty. It has got sweet and sour taste. So see how to prepare it.
Onion 4 medium size chopped, dried dates or chwara soaked 8 to 10, 5 green chilies and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, curd sour half a cup, 1 tablespoon watermelon seeds soaked, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, whole garam masala 2 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 3 teaspoon, coriander powder 3 teaspoon, lemon juice half a lemon, salt to taste, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, mutton half a kg, tomatoes 2 large, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 large cardamom, 2 green cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds or shazira, 10 to 15 black peppers, and oil. These are dried dates or chwaras. We have soaked them for 5 to 6 hours, so they have become tender. Now we have to make a paste of it. Iranis put lots of dry fruits in their non-veg. These are watermelon seeds. We have also soaked them. They have also become tender. Now we have to make a paste of watermelon seeds, 4 to 5 green chilies and little bit of coriander. Here's our mutton. It is about half a kg. I have not measured because I have got lots of mutton in my fridge. Yes, this is half a kg. This is half a cup of curd. Half a teaspoon of salt into the marination. 1, 2 and 3 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. One, 2 and 3 teaspoon of coriander powder. Lemon juice of half a lemon. And red chili powder according to your liking, because we have also grinded green chilies and they are hot, so add according to your taste. I am adding about 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Garam masala we will add afterwards, and now keep it for at least 1 hour. We have to cook this mutton in pressure cooker. One and a half large spoon of oil. If you find excess oil at the end when your dish is ready, finally, you can remove that oil. 1 bay leaf, 1 large cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, few pepper, cinnamon stick, and this is a flour. It gives nice flavor. And these are caraway seeds or shazira. These are 4 medium-sized onion. We have cut them and let the onion become pink. Then we will add rest of the other things on medium flame. Now it is almost 1 hour. We are adding our marinated mutton to it. Give it a good mix. Cooking for 5 to 6 minutes. Mutton looks like this. It is getting cooked in its own juices and curd, and now we are adding tomatoes. Another 5 to 7 minutes, and then we will add our dried dates, green chilies, coriander and watermelon seeds. We have made a paste of it. These are whole ground garam masalas, 2 teaspoons of it. This masala has got green cardamoms, cloves, peppers, caraway, large cardamom, mace and nutmeg. You can prepare this garam masala. It is used in non-veg dishes and you can store it in your fridge. You can see my video how to prepare garam masala. Keep it in an airtight container so that it will not lose its aroma. See, the tomatoes have also become soft. Now we will add our paste. Finally, we will add few dried dates and ginger julienne. Give it a good mix, and now we will add water to it and keep it for 20 minutes. Never cook your non-veg or never cook anything with the pressures, with the count of pressures. Always cook with the time, and it depends on the mutton quality as well as on the water. If it is soft, it takes lesser time. If the water is hard, it takes some more time. Let the oil come on the sides, slow down the flame, then we will add water. See, the masala looks like this. Now add 300 ml of water. Adjust water according to your requirement and according to your vessel. If it is ordinary cooker, then you will require some more water. First cook on 10 minutes on high flame, then reduce your flame. Open it, test it, and if it is not done, you can always do accordingly. Never cook your dish with tension. Just relax and cook it. I am sure you're going to make it perfect. And never add water at a single time. Add water little by little. I think I'll need some more water. Just half a glass more. That's all. I'm going to close the lid and we'll open it after 20 or 25 minutes. Check it, and if there's water remaining, I'll reduce it because this gravy is little thick. After 20-25 minutes, our mutton is done. Yes, it is tender. And now finally we are adding dried dates and green cardamom powder. Just keep for 1 minute and we will serve it. When oil comes on top, it means that your gravy is done. And you should always keep it on slow flame. Our Irani gosht is ready. Eat it with naan or chapati. And don't forget to tell me how did you like it.